Have you ever wondered about the magic of ceremonial matcha? A marvel of the wellness world, ceremonial matcha is more than just a green tea. Its unique qualities extend beyond its vibrant color and distinctive taste. This extraordinary beverage holds a special place in wellness routines, offering a plethora of health benefits. It's not just a drink, it's a ritual, a mindful journey towards a healthier lifestyle. So, are you ready? Join us as we delve deeper into the world of ceremonial matcha, its history, cultivation, and usage. The roots of ceremonial matcha can be traced back to the Tang dynasty in China. This period, spanning from the 7th to the 10th century, saw the birth of a ground green tea paste, the precursor to the matcha we know today. As the Song dynasty took the reins, the tea-drinking ritual evolved into a powdered form, whisked into hot water, a method that closely resembles our current matcha preparation. However, the true refinement of matcha as a ceremonial beverage occurred in Japan. The ritual was brought over by Zen monks in the 12th century and ingrained into the fabric of Japanese culture. The Japanese tea ceremony, or chanoyu, evolved around the mindful preparation and consumption of matcha, emphasizing respect, harmony, purity, and tranquility. Indeed, ceremonial matcha has transcended its origins as a simple beverage. It's become a symbol of mindfulness and wellness, a testament to the transformative power of a humble leaf. From the Tang dynasty to modern-day wellness routines, ceremonial matcha has indeed come a long way. The process of cultivating and processing ceremonial matcha is an art in itself. A journey that begins with the careful selection of Camellia sinensis, the tea plant. Chosen plants are shaded for about 3 weeks before harvesting to increase chlorophyll levels, lending the tea its vibrant green color. Once the leaves are harvested, they're steamed to halt the oxidation process. This is a critical step that preserves the bright color and potent health properties of the leaves. After steaming, the leaves are meticulously dried and then ground into a fine powder using granite stone mills. This slow grinding process, which can take up to an hour to produce just 30 grams of matcha, ensures the delicate leaves are not damaged by friction heat. Now let's talk about the unique grading system. Ceremonial matcha is the highest grade of matcha. It's made from the youngest, most tender tea leaves, which are hand-picked from the very top of the tea plant. Only the finest leaves are chosen, and any stems or veins are carefully removed. This results in a matcha that is incredibly smooth and rich in flavor. This painstaking effort and meticulous techniques involved in cultivating and processing are what set ceremonial matcha apart from other grades. From shading the plants to handpicking the leaves, from steaming to slow grinding, each step is performed with care and precision. This careful cultivation and processing contribute to the exceptional quality and taste of ceremonial matcha. Now that we know what ceremonial matcha is and how it's made, let's explore how to use it. This incredible green powder is not just a drink, it's a lifestyle. Traditionally, it's prepared in a tea ceremony, where the matcha is whisked in a bowl with hot water until it becomes frothy. This ritual is not just about making a beverage, it's a mindful practice of preparation, serving, and enjoyment. But the use of ceremonial matcha isn't limited to tea ceremonies. It can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. Try adding it to your morning smoothie, sprinkling it on your breakfast bowl, or even mixing it into your favorite baking recipes. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget skincare. Matcha's high antioxidant content makes it a fantastic ingredient for face masks and creams, helping to nourish the skin and combat signs of aging. With so many ways to incorporate ceremonial matcha into your routine, embracing a healthier lifestyle has never been easier. Ceremonial matcha is more than just a beverage, it's a lifestyle. As we delve deeper into the heart of this transformative journey, we uncover the myriad health benefits of ceremonial matcha. It's not just about the calming effect or the energy boost it provides, but also about the rich antioxidants that promote a healthy heart and skin. Incorporating ceremonial matcha into your wellness routine is as simple as enjoying a cup of this vibrant green elixir every morning or adding it to your favorite smoothie. You can even take your skincare routine up a notch by incorporating matcha-infused products. Remember, every sip is a step back in time, a connection to an age-old tradition that values mindfulness, respect, and harmony. So as you whisk your matcha and watch as the water transforms into a beautiful shade of emerald green, Let it be a reminder of the tranquility and balance it brings. So why wait? Explore the enchanting world of ceremonial matcha and let it transform your journey to wellness.